Welcome to Lower School at Wichita Collegiate School.
There's some special things about our lower school that I think make us truly exceptional, and one of those things is our small class size. Our class average right now is a 15-to-1 ratio, and what that ratio allows us to do is several things, and one is that to really connect and establish that relationship with each and every child. Our teachers truly know their kids, and they know when they walk in the door if they're having a sad day or a happy day, and they know what works for each and every one of their students, and they're able to customize their curriculum and their teaching styles according to what works best for that student, and that enables every student to want to respond and give their best effort and to fulfill their full potential.
I've really appreciated the hands-on approach. Not only am I just giving direct instruction as the kids listen and learn and try to take down as many notes as they can to acquire the knowledge, my kiddos actually get to use manipulatives and question their learning and have that hands-on experience so they can touch and feel what they're learning so that they can actually capture the knowledge that we're looking for.
We just think teaching to the whole child is really important. And what that allows our classroom teachers to do then is to have an hour and a half to 2 hours of plan time a day. And that time is so crucial and so needed in order to be able to customize the curriculum to each and every one of their students and make sure that they are pushing each and every one of their students to realize their full potential.
At Collegiate, we use our personalized learning plan to meet the children where they are. So if they're struggling in a concept, we can pull them to small group, have the ability to do more of a one-on-one lesson with them. If a student is excelling in a subject area, we can also have that time to spend with them one-on-one and expand their knowledge and to really give them that ability to make connections to that expanded knowledge.
Our science is incredibly hands-on. We have a teacher-designated science teacher, and that just allows her to have a laser-like focus to teach those kiddos and set up really hands-on learning and experiments. There's a very intentional thread focused on public speaking. What that looks like specifically in the lower school is our music class does a great job of focusing on those presentation skills and those performing skills. So what that looks like is, every student every year performs in a variety show, and it truly is a variety show in terms of we want students to showcase what they're good at.
My son has really just thrived in the academic environment here because they have such unique ways to teach from each subject. He is a lover of reading. He's currently in a book club in 3rd grade, and that's just so exciting for me to see as a parent how he comes home with books that he's excited to read, and they get to earn AR points, and so he enjoys being rewarded for that. And it's just nice to see a love of reading in him since kindergarten that has just continued through 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade.
It teaches them that lesson that, they can do hard things and they can do things that they wouldn't normally choose, and they can learn from it.
In lower school, we focus on social emotional health a couple of different ways. We have a class called Positive Steps, and I teach that to 1st through 4th grade. We talk about social skills, how to get along with others, conflict resolution. When you're having issues, how do you solve those problems in a way that's a win-win for everyone? We talk about, of course, developing good character traits, responsibility, respect. We really talk a lot about empathy, particularly in 3rd and 4th grade, and how important that is in our students and really in everyone to get along and be a contributing part of our school.
We are a very diverse population in terms of faiths, in terms of ethnicities, in terms of cultures, in terms of ways of thinking, and we just think that is so important that our kids are immersed in an environment where the person next to them might celebrate different traditions or might think differently than they do, and so they learn, about that civil discourse, about how to respectfully respond when someone does think differently than they do, and I think that really builds to what real life is. Not everyone's going to be the same as you, and so learning how to work with people of different faiths, of different cultures, of different ways of thinking is a critical life skill that they learn from age 2 all the way up.
Delivering hopes and dreams since 1963.